Hi friends! Today we are making easy no-bake Oreo cheesecake. The good thing about this is you don't need to have an oven. So if you're ready, then just keep on watching. Crush 12 to 15 pieces of Oreo biscuits. If you want thicker crust, then you can add more. And for this, it's not necessary to use food processor or blender because we need crumbs and not Oreo powder for the base. Add 50 grams of melted unsalted butter and mix well. This will serve as the crust of our cheesecake. Place the crumbs into your pan or container and gently press down to have even layer of crust. Let it chill in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes and you can start to make your cheesecake mixture. One and 1/2 cups of whipping cream mix on medium speed. Now that the whipping cream is thick and fluffy, I'm adding the whole block of cream cheese, which is 250 grams. Mix again, but this time on low speed. Make sure that the cream cheese is in room temperature so it's easier to beat and to prevent lumps. When the cream cheese and whipping cream are incorporated, we can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And friends, please take note that cheesecake is not supposed to be as sweet as other cakes. So I'm only using 5 tablespoons or 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. If you want sweeter, you can just add 1 or 2 tablespoons more. Some people are asking if they can use all-purpose cream. Yes, you can use that, but whipping cream is advisable because it forms more stable filling. And if you're using all-purpose cream, it's better to use condensed milk than powdered sugar. And just a reminder, do not forget to subscribe to Cocina Chubby Hands on YouTube and kindly turn on the notification bell button so you will be notified once we have new uploads. And now that the mixture is ready, you can add your Oreo biscuit chunks and just mix it well. Take the chilled crust and place the mixture on top. Cover with cling wrap and put it in the fridge for at least 6 hours or until the mixture becomes firm. And now I'm showing you the full list of our ingredients for our cheesecake recipe. I kept this in the fridge for around 8 hours. And now that the cheesecake is ready, I can put Oreos on top as my decoration. See, it's very easy and simple. So thank you for watching Kusina Chubby Hands. Bye!